Okay, so wanted to do a quick video. There's only one I've seen on the internet that was like a vertical sled lift or any type of storage, so we had lots of garage space on the roof, so wanted to build something that we can build or put things on top. So this is the build from the beginning. You see lag bolts going through each joint, or grade 8 bolts down below, all braced up with angles. Up here is the center pulley for pulling the ramp up afterwards, so I'll show you that once we get to it. And I'll flip it over. On the back end is where the electric winch is set up, and a different pulley. So the side pulley here is for pulling up the sled on this side, and the center pulley attaches to the middle piece up here for pulling up the ramp afterwards. I'll show you. This is what we're going to do now. We're going to pull the quad up. I want to do something nice and light, so that way it'd be a nice easy one for the first lift with weight on it. So basically the cable comes up from down here, goes in an angle, and then to a pulley system here, and it should just pull the quad right up. So again, all bolts up here and braced all around. And the power for the winch right now is hooked to a car battery, just on a tender, just so we can get it up in the air, but I'm going to hook it up on a hard wire later on. So I'll hand the phone over to the wife, so turn. Oops. Strap the quad on. Put the cable. This is going to just got to disconnect the shackle each time, so I can run it through. It's got the rear corners through. So we'll go back to here. And put it back in. Like this is going to have several inches like that. So it's just one electric winch, 2,000 pound by the way. It's on the bottom, it's kind of good at the end there, but the driver's also pretty easy too. So I'm going to take and run it back after this cable from the center hook afterwards. I'll loosen this up. get up here, change the pulley around, so that way I can get the shaft going through it. So what I had done was added all the extra cables and things like that just for extra support. So everything is geared up for around 1950 to 2,000 pounds. So what I had done was, just in case, this is probably the heaviest part when you get a couple sleds up there, I just added this cable through, just in case the pulley lets go or anything like that, it'll catch on the cable. That way it won't drop just for safety reasons. So just run it through here. Like that. What we got together? Pin back in. So now we're ready to lift. So what I've done is I ran some grade 8 chain down here too. So grade 8 chain is hooked up to shackles and all that. Now we're good to go. We'll pause it. So I just want to point out, all the chains are hooked up with shackles, all good for 2,000 pounds too. I got an extra one down here just in case any tension. And there's going 2 bolts that are bolted on the side too with all grade 8 bolts. So it's all shackled up, ready to do the lift. Get this up in the air. So that there's no continuous strain on the lift itself. Just going to get some support put in here. Now it's a little bit off because the quad's on one side, so. Once this goes in, our support takes all the weight off the cable. And just take the weight off the cable now and good to go. Okay, that's it. It's up in the air, and so it's supposed to fit 2 sleds, and then of course 2 sleds can go underneath. That's it. Done.